Hurricane Harvey slammed into Texas over the weekend, bringing widespread flooding, power outages, and severe destruction. Drone footage, while providing a unique bird's-eye view of the damage, captured the severity of the flooding in and around Houston. As of Monday morning, FEMA Administrator Brock Long said he expects the storm to drive about 30,000 people into shelters, and 450,000 people will seek some sort of disaster assistance, though he warns those numbers could easily fluctuate. Around 13 million people are under flood watches, and warnings stretch from Corpus Christi to New Orleans, according to CNN.